Hi student, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic. The topic name is Havoc of Flood from 5th unit 9th class. This unit tells us about disaster. Now let's move on the topic. Kurnool, a district with rocky soil in Andhra Pradesh in the Krishna basin, is known as the land of rocky temples in Rayalaseema region. The headquarters of the district with the namesake is a city with a population of 5 lakhs. Thousands of tourists from various parts of the state travel through the city on their way to tourist spots. The people of the city welcome to the tourists in a warm mood. This is a part of their daily routine. Every morning is colorful for them. On 27 September 2009, the Kurnool city had a heavy rainfall. Its pouring continued throughout the night. As a result, on 20th September 2009, the people of Kurnool had to welcome river waters to their streets in gloomy colors. At 10 a.m., the Central Water Commission forecast that the inflows to the Srisalam Dam would go up to an enormous level of 20 lakh cusecs of water, the highest in its history, posing a threat to the villages on the banks of the Krishna River. By noon of the day, people bore the brunt of the flood fury as the flood water reached the first story of several buildings. The government did not have sufficient number of boats and men to help them. The authorities estimated that about 40,000 people had taken shelter on the rooftops. The floods inundated about 60 villages all over the district. The government was forced to seek the help of the army and the navy. The Sunkesla barrage across the Tungabhadra breached at two places as it could not discharge the massive flood. The pathetic plight was that the people of the villages hurried to the safer places for the lives, leaving everything they had. Poor kettles, cows and calves, buffaloes and bullocks and other animals died as they were fastened in their sheds. The government officials and volunteer organizations that arrived at the spot witnessed the badly damaged roads, railways, and collapsed bridges. Immediately to distribute the emergency relief supplies like food, drinking water, and clothing among the flood survivors. One of the sufferers of the flood was Rajeshwari, a woman of well past 40. For 2 days, she stayed on rooftops with her four children without food to eat and water to drink. The relief team brought her and her four children to flood relief distribution camp which was being organized by the government in Kurnool. There she received rice, blankets and other supplies her family needed. She expressed her gratitude with a beaming face, saying that she would remain ever thankful for the help she received.